Waka eka abefie electoral commission the breaking news about Akua Donkor'S ne party no omoba contested and ase obon contested. Akua Donkor'S ne running mate Fada of filing nomination no ebusia easy and sembe no modi ababonten. After that electoral commission wasia kasa on balloting position ebano presidential candidate na ensame no megdwom mashrawa. So be share video we no be share wadwen ama your comment section. Once subscribe don kwoti anananom wonsia do no don't forget say now or a part of 13 presidential candidates or more aspire to be president of Ghana. So Akua Donkor'S on a party Ghana Freedom Party wofa presidential balloting now or more than number 3. So Akua Donkor'S anananom wonsia do nebusia electoral commission or mobile bonten say part of a 1992 constitution. You know Emma Kwan say Akua Donkor'S ne party which is Ghana Freedom Party no omobe nominating ni for process sa nipa no wa akonya so oba filing the nomination e wo EC omo akachi say EC ai omogitum se no ho so a na sa nipa no wa represent eye Akua Donkor'S. So in this case no Akua Donkor'S no running mate Fada na o file nomination na eno na ebusuan electoral commission omo si o Fada o file nomination no omo aye hwehwemu ne papers no kwanya o fa so a I offer ye na dia ni na anu no omo bema verdict wo ho omo chen Supreme Court ebusia asamaba Fada omo disqualify no anasa den
1992 Constitution and Regulation 13(4) of CI 127. The Commission wrote to the Ghana Freedom Party and provided them a period of 10 days within which to file a new candidate. Article 50 of the 4 of the 1992 Constitution reads, where at the close of nominations, but before the election, one of the candidates dies, a further period of 10 days shall be allowed for nomination. In that respect, the Commission wrote to the Ghana Freedom Party and asked them to present a new candidate within 10 days. In fulfillment of that request, the Ghana Freedom Party presented Mr. Apiakubi, who was before then the vice presidential candidate to Madam Akua Donkor'S. The party presented him as the presidential candidate of the Ghana Freedom Party. He and the party went on to submit their nomination forms on the 5th of November, and our technical teams went to work immediately reviewing the nomination forms. At the end of the process, they detected a number of errors and some illegalities with the form. The candidate's attention was drawn to these errors, and the party was provided an opportunity to correct them. They did that. In the view of the Commission, it was not in our bosom to provide the political party the opportunity to correct some of the illegalities that we found on the form. In that respect, the party did not draw their attention to it because the Commission does not feel that it is in its bosom to allow any political party to correct illegalities with the form. The Commission, therefore, as at yesterday, wrote to the party and to the candidate disqualifying him from contesting the 2024 presidential election.
Akua Donkor'S ne running mate or filing nomination no forms na or failure no mistakes bebree na sa mistakes ni bi ho ma omo dem Akua Donkor'S ne party ni say omo correct those mistakes but mistakes ni bi ho ma illegality what I say na just say embremu no omo isi kra no omo ni ho kwan say omo ba ma Akua Donkor'S ne party no omo rectify those mistakes no enu nti no omo agina no so Fada own to me represent Akua Donkor'S na eno na busia ma fu chem say oh easy na sesi asansam na woka no afiansa yes akoya presidential reballoting bio anasa den anasa sesi ano yenye reballoting na mbom no position no ebia number 3 akọ number 2 number 4 akọ number 3 number 5 akọ number 4 sa na ebia be na ECC Ghana for our solution.
This morning we are here to inform you of the Commission's decision to maintain the presidential ballot as it is. As you may be aware, and I believe all of you have representatives in the printing houses, we are almost 90% complete with the printing of presidential ballots. And you are also aware that following the passing of Madam Akua Donkor'S, we requested the printing houses to cease printing until, the law had taken its course. Now that the presidential candidate or the nominee has been disqualified, the Commission would like to inform you that the printing would proceed on the current ballot as is, in the interest of time and to save this country millions of cedis. And so our task here this morning is very simple. We are not here to change positions. We are not here to reballot. We are simply here to inform you that the Commission intends to notify our printing houses to proceed with the presidential ballot as is. It will proceed with the ballot that bears the name and the image of the name of the Ghana Freedom Party, their symbol, and the image of Madam Akua Donkor'S. And we believe that a lot of discussions and advertisements will go out to prevent the citizenry from voting for her. So this is our mission here this morning. It is a simple one, as I said. We'd like to thank you for your time and your attention. Thank you.
Easy say, baby a ballot printing no umedu no. Enya dia omubetumi aye reballoting. Enu nti no, Akua Donkor'S ni fonyi no omu yi mfiri ho. Akua Donkor'S ni position no omu change. He, ye beto aba ama those 13 presidential candidates omu wo ballot no so dada. En change ye. Number no omu isi no omu behu kwanya omu befa so a ye kwoto aba eye obi ento ema Akua Donkor'S. What I say na amafo bi so ichem say, what if ye nyina no ye decide say Akua Donkor'S no be ye president, ya to aba ma Akua Donkor'S say ai ono no mbedi ye so ai ye bia no Akua Donkor'S afiansa obe ruli Ghana for wasamanya do anase den asama ba in say no ballot position no enchange here, but easy we disqualify Roman Fada. Oh, it was actually what you might comment section what next share video way ma afoforo so ensa enkebi